Welcome to the Stonebridge Building Overview Supplement. This walkthrough presents a structured look at building sensor analysis, simulation insights, and equipment documentation. I'm Michelle, and I'll guide you through each section. This is the initial web page of the building interface. It presents basic building information and serves as a launch point to deeper technical insights, including equipment layouts, photos, and operational summaries. Early data reviews showed the air conditioning system started mid-morning, despite an outdoor temperature of only 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating cycled on and off as expected, confirming seasonal transition behavior. Further analysis confirmed that the 350,000 BTUs heating unit, the only active heating stage, resulted in unintentional space overheating. This suggests either a need for modulation, a control refinement, or disabling of several burners. This slide summarizes key findings about the installed variable frequency drives and economizer operation. Initial data supports that both systems are functional but require ongoing tuning to optimize performance. A building simulation was conducted using eQuest. The model produced monthly estimates for electrical and gas demand, offering a solid baseline to compare against actual metered consumption. We verified that the VFD installed was supplied by Carrier. Technical literature confirms this unit functions as a 2-speed drive, consistent with observed operation data. This section introduces variable volume temperature, or VVT, system fundamentals. It reviews the expected operating logic and performance targets in a building of this type. Here we dive deeper into VVT systems, providing additional engineering context. Understanding modulation, damper control, and space temperature response is essential for diagnosing VVT behavior. This slide links to a Google Sheet that contains rooftop unit application data. The sheet includes configuration details, capacity, and control strategy references. Included are select on-site photos taken during building inspection. These images highlight key equipment, ducting, and rooftop layouts. Shown here is an excerpt from ABB's balancing literature. This is particularly useful when commissioning or troubleshooting existing drive systems. Close-up images of nameplates were captured for documentation. These contain critical specifications for model numbers, voltage, and system capacity. This table summarizes all known equipment ratings. It includes manufacturer specs, heating and cooling capacities, and system design intent. This link opens a live Google map with building location preloaded. Use it for logistics planning, directions, or aerial site views. Google Satellite Imagery offers quick reference exterior building views. These help contextualize equipment layouts and identify service access points. Here is the rooftop equipment layout. It provides a complete overview of RE placement, VFD locations, and other rooftop assets. Lastly, this slide shows a color-coded ductwork layout. It's a useful tool for tracking air distribution zones and isolating balancing issues. This concludes the Stonebridge building overview. If you have questions or would like deeper insight into any of the sections, please reach out. Thank you for your time.